Hello everyone, greetings to you all from our exclusive English and educational updates. Well, in this short video, we will be exploring how to submit feedback form regarding the TPD course Developing English Pedagogy for grades 6 to 10. So, in this video, you will be getting to know the contents of the feedback form and the technical details of the feedback form. So, dear teachers, most of the registered teachers have almost completed 84% of the course completion, which means technically it is equal to 100% as per the official's instructions. So, here you will get to see once you open Firki app or Firki website, you will get to see your course completion status as I show on the screen here. So 84% is nothing but completion of the course. So here you can see course, participants and grades. So participants means the teachers who are registered, who are going to be registered in the upcoming days from your respective school. The grades that you have got. And now here you will see module 3 and completion of the post test, and below that you will get to see TPD course feedback form for this particular course titled Developing English Pedagogy. So here it says congratulations on completing the course successfully. So we need to get the certificate as we all worked hard and succeeded in our efforts. So now how to receive the certificate and every details follow here. So dear teachers, here is a 3-minute video for the entire course completion process. Please do watch, and if you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section. We will be able to get back to you with the queries.
ముందుగా మీ అందరికీ కోర్స్ని సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా కంప్లీట్ చేసినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. కోర్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళకి సర్టిఫికేట్స్ ఇవ్వడానికి మరియు రాబోయే కోర్సెస్ ఇంకా ఎఫెక్టివ్గా చేయడానికి ఈ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఫామ్ అనేది ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. డెవలపింగ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ పెడగాజీ కోర్స్ని సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా కంప్లీట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళందరికీ పోస్ట్ టెస్ట్ తరువాత ఇలా కిందకి స్క్రోల్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ మనకు టీపీడీ కోర్స్ యొక్క ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఫామ్ కనిపిస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఫామ్ యొక్క లింక్ పైన క్లిక్ చేయాలి. అలా క్లిక్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తున్న ఆప్షన్స్లో మనం ఆన్సర్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయాలి. ఈ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఫామ్లో మనం మన పేరు, డెసిగ్నేషన్, కాంప్లెక్స్ కోడ్, స్కూల్ కోడ్, మొబైల్ నంబర్ ఎంటర్ చేయాలి.
So the last date for the completion of the feedback form is March 15th. So the form is opened for the participants on 2nd March, and the deadline for completion of the feedback form submission is 15th March.
ఇక్కడ రాసే పేరు మీ సర్టిఫికెట్స్ లో కనిపిస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఫుల్ నేమ్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్ లో రాయండి.
So please ensure that because you are going to get certificate and it is valid for SCRT any kind of programs, so please do type your name, surname in capital letters so that the same thing gets printed in the certificate. So please be careful about the spellings.
పేరు,
Designation, your complex code, so your complex where you attend trainings, your phone number and the district you belong.
సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తున్న నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ పైన క్లిక్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన తరువాత మీ మండల్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి.
So like this you will get the contents of the feedback form which I explain now. So go to this particular tab to do TPD course feedback form. Click on this to do tab, then the form for the feedback gets displayed here. So all the preliminary details such as your name, cadre, school complex and your school, district and mandal, all the details are supposed to be entered Then once you click on that, the actual contents of the feedback form get displayed here. So here you need to select your mandal, allotted mandal or working mandal. Then click on this options now. How relevant was this course to your learning needs? So dear teachers, so teachers who are dealing with English subject might have found the course very useful. For the teachers who are not dealing with English subject but they are teaching in English medium instruction might also find the course useful. So depending upon your feedback and your perception, you can click here. Now, how confident are you to apply your learnings? So, are you ready? How ready are you to implement the learnings from the course? Not confident, somewhat confident, confident, and very confident. So, all these parameters and rating scales you can select. Rate the course based on how interesting. So, do you like the course contents? Do you really find it interesting or boring? In what way? So depending upon the four options you can select. Did you learn any new knowledge or skills from the course? Yes or no? How would you rate the effectiveness of peer learning community? So whenever you attend complex meetings, did you find the PLC meetings useful for discussing your queries, learning something from your mutual friends? So effective, somewhat effective, very effective, did not attend any PLC. So PLC here nothing but complex meeting where you discussed the TPD course contents. How likely are you to recommend this course to your colleagues? Now, dear teachers, so only some of the teachers in the schools have completed TPD course. Now there are some other teachers who have not yet registered, and how ready are you to recommend? Do you recommend the course or don't you recommend the course? So depending upon your feedback, you can select this 10 rate points. So once you click on this submit button, you will successfully submit the feedback form. Upon submission of the feedback form, you will get the certificate titled with your name and your respective school details under SPD Samagra Shiksha, State of Andhra Pradesh School Education Department. So wish you all happy learning and keep learning. Please do subscribe and encourage for more educational content videos. Have a great day.